Hello guys and welcome to my YouTube channel, The Mighty Spicer's Bee. Today I will be talking about photons, which is a very confusing but also at the same time interesting topic. Photons, which mean light and are also called light quantum, is a type of elementary particle, which means that it is a subatomic particle with no currently known substructure. It is the quantum of the electromagnetic field, including electromagnetic radiation, which is things such as light and radio waves. Photons are known to be massless, which means they don't have any weight. They always move at the speed of light in a thing known as the vacuum. The photons belong to a class known as the bosons, which are particles that follow Bose-Einstein statistics. Photons are currently best explained by quantum mechanics. The modern, or you could say latest photon concept came around in the first 2 decades of the 20th century, with the work of a very well-known person, the one and only Albert Einstein. Now, photons are a confusing topic, so I will show you the main things they are described or known for. They have zero mass, they have no electrical charge, they are stable, and they travel at a speed of light. Another fun fact is that they can be destroyed or created by many natural processes. Photons have the ability to interact with matter. For example, the energy of the photon is absorbed by matter. In this case, the extra energy can be emitted as heat. Photons also interact with our eyes. That way, when a photon strikes or hits the eye, it is turned into a type of energy known as electrical energy that is then transmitted to the brain to form an image. That is how we see stuff. The relationship between the energy of a photon and its frequency is known as Planck's constant. Its frequency can be described by the equation E is equal to hv. E is energy, V is frequency, and H is Planck's constant. Planck's constant is always the same no matter what. Hello guys, and thank you for watching this YouTube video on photons. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and comment on the video if you have any ideas on what I should do. Other than that, I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye!